Microsoft. Deliver differentiated customer experience. How can I accelerate growth and loyalty through deeper customer insights and relationships? It starts by knowing your customers. Then, developing solutions that meet their needs by differentiated customer experiences that accelerate growth and loyalty through deeper customer insights and relationships. Microsoft empowers financial services organizations to achieve more by delivering differentiated customer experiences that accelerate growth and loyalty through deeper customer insights and relationships. Meeting your organizational mission to know your customer with a 360-degree view, predict and deliver what customers want before they ask for it, and leverage customer insights to provide exceptional customer service. Jana is the VP of Banking for a global commercial banking business. She strives to captivate her customers every day. So she needs a 360-degree view of each customer by creating personalized and relevant experiences, which means streamlining her data, predicting customer needs, and proactively offering the right products and services. Powered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Service, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales, Azure, Power BI, and Microsoft 365 with Teams, Jana keeps up to speed by integrating digital customer service and operations to increase agility and customer interactions and reduce complaints. Enrich customer understanding with insights from social, life events, and other data sources. She is confident about security and compliance because her banking group now deploys enhanced data analytics and cognitive services, so her team can protect the bank and its customers against losses and criminal activity before problems occur. Leverage AI to enhance human-led channels for faster and cost-effective interactions. Utilize a banking data model to roll out new services faster, such as Know Your Customer, KYC, onboarding, and referrals. Jana's organization can also improve their financial services system's efficiency while improving overall quality of their compliance programs. Bottom line, Jana now works smarter. Her company is transforming into a more effective and competitive business. To illustrate this, in London 2010, Metro Bank opened as a brash competitor in a seriously traditional industry. Their vision? Redefine the relationship people have with their bank by innovating customer service. By offering 24/7 branch hours and lightning-quick account openings and customer service, the bank built a foundation for fast growth. Streamlining systems and creating consistency using technology from Microsoft instantly reduced their paper costs by £750,000 and greatly reduced back-office processing work and document review. That equals more time with customers and raising the bar for customer service. The company has streamlined their systems with dashboards and reports generated with Power BI, so they can monitor over 14 data points across the health of the business. By putting customers first and driving towards solving customer needs, Metro Bank is setting the bar for all banks and making banking easier for all of us. Microsoft empowers financial services organizations to achieve more by offering industry-leading cloud scale, the most comprehensive set of compliance offerings of any cloud service provider, and more certifications than anyone in the industry. By using secure and compliant technology, organizations can fundamentally change the way they work and have real impact on the way they do business. By changing customer expectations, modernizing their banking, meeting complex regulations, dealing with new competitors, combating cyber threats, and inspiring a productive workforce. Microsoft, empowering intelligent banking.